Hello friends. So now we are in the negative, isn't it? Negation. And now we saw primary verb negation, secondary verb negation. Now here this is the non-verbal negation. Non-verbal negation means you can negate a sentence by using negative words. Listen, negative words like no, nobody, nothing, no place, no, none, no one, nowhere, neither, or never. See, I will give you an example. We will have examples for all this. We don't have any idea. We don't have any idea. Now this is verbal negation. Now you can convert this into a non-verbal negation as by we have no idea. We have no idea. Sometimes you will get questions like this. You will get, we have no idea. Rewrite without changing the meaning. That means what they want is convert this verb, non-verbal into a verbal negation. That's it. There are many ways in English. This is one of the ways. The suitors did not choose any of the caskets. Merchant of Venice. Second one. The suitors didn't choose any of the caskets. Suppose. Now you can change it to non-verbal. How will you do that? The suitors chose none of the caskets. The suitors chose none of the caskets. The suitors chose none of the caskets. Understand? Another sentence in the witches did not do anything. The witches from Macbeth. The witches, W-I-T-C-H-E-S. The witches didn't do anything to stop Macbeth. So this, did not do anything to stop. So non-verbal will be the witches did nothing to stop Macbeth. The witches did nothing to stop Macbeth. Look at that. So this is how you convert verbal into non-verbal and non-verbal into verbal. At the end he was going nowhere. Yes. Who? Macbeth. At the end he was going nowhere. So that is, you can see, at the end he was going nowhere. It is non-verbal. Now we change it to the verbal, we will see. At the end he was not going anywhere. At the end he was not going anywhere. At the end, that's the reverse of what we have been doing. At the end he wasn't going anywhere. Nowhere will become anywhere. So we can change from verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. Understand? We can say the traveler did not know either of them. The traveler did not know either of them. Suppose that is verbal. The traveler did not, this is verbal, did not know either of them. So non-verbal will be the traveler The traveler knew neither of them. The traveler knew neither of them. Either of them will be neither of them. See? Another one. Portia hadn't argued a case before. Portia hadn't argued a case before. So that is verbal. Now, Portia had never argued a case before. Portia had never argued a case before. Portia hadn't argued ever a case before. So Portia, the negative will be Portia had never argued a case before. Never argued a case before. Listen. Or you have got there isn't any hope. Listen. There isn't any hope. Okay? Hope you are following. There isn't any hope. So that is verbal. Then how will you say non-verbal? There is no hope. There isn't any hope. So non-verbal will be there is no hope. That's it. So verbal is of primary, secondary, and now this is the negation by using negative words like this. There is no hope, there isn't any hope. We have no idea, we don't have any idea. Like that, you can think like that. Okay. Now, another aspect of this negation is double negation. People will say that it is wrong, but it is not wrong. Authorities on English grammar say double negative is perfectly alright. Logic it may be wrong, but in grammar it is not. Example, I have never said nothing like it. Some people say, I have never said nothing like it. So here it is double negative. Never said nothing. But he says it's quite alright. I have never said anything like this. Equivalent to that if you want to. If you want to use without double negative, you can say I have never said anything like it. So both ways correct, but this is not wrong. I have never said anything, I have never said nothing like this. For emphasis we can say. During the Middle English period, Chaucer is there, he never no villainy ne said. Three negatives. He never no villainy ne said. Means he did not say anything bad. He never, that's Middle English. About the portrait gallery, you will come across a character, the knight. About the knight, he says he's a perfect, very perfect gentleman. Very perfect gentleman. So, says he never ne villainy he never ne villainy he never ne villainy what is that sentence? He never no villainy ne said. Yes. He never no villainy ne said. This is it. That means this is one negative, another negative, another negative. Ne. He never said no villainy. He never no said no villainy. Means he never spoke anything anything bad or anything indecent or any lie. He did not say any lie. All these things he can say. I could put this sentence. This line, the portrait gallery, that is Joseph's Canterbury Tales. Yes, very famous lines. This he never ne villainy ne saint. That is it. So 3. You have in nothing, isn't it? Nothing. That's a different thing. Okay. Okay. You have another one. He can't see. He can't see nothing. He can't see nothing. So sometimes people say that it's wrong. So equivalent to that we can say he can't see nothing. Both are correct. He can't see anything. Understand? He can't see anything. So one is double negative, the other is the way that we usually speak. The angel told her not to say nothing to anyone. The angel told her not to say nothing to anyone. So that can be the angel told her not to say anything to anyone. The angel told her not to say anything to anyone. So some people say that double negative is wrong, but that is not right. What double negative to say it is wrong. So this is perfectly alright. Again, next one is he can't see nothing, alright. The angel told her to say not. The angel told her not to say. The angel told her not to say nothing. See, double negative. Correct. Logic, it may be wrong. You may say that two negatives is equal to one positive. No. No, sir. An authority. I am quoting this from an authority. See. So, there is a very important trend now going on like this. For stressing a point, you can use double negative. It is not at all wrong. Although, some people prefer this. That is, I have never said anything. He can't see anything. The angel told her not to say anything to anyone. Both are correct. So, don't look down upon the double negative. That's all. That's what I want to just point out to you. Okay? Circulating, fine. So coming back to this, COVID is a worldwide threat. Virus versus humans a fight. Around the globe, across the world, war rooms fight COVID threat. So we remain battle ready. Bye.